How to set up direct deposit with Wells Fargo. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And on today's video we will learn how we can set up direct deposit in Wells Fargo. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So for that, first of all, you have to log in into Wells Fargo account using your mobile application or at wellsfargo.com. Once you're logged in, navigate to the bottom right corner, head over to menu. And on the menu, you could search for set up direct deposit. Then you have to choose your account, that may be your checking or saving accounts that you want your money deposited into. Wells Fargo will automatically provide your routing numbers, current account numbers, and your account type. Now all you have to do is download the completed direct deposit form or fill out the blank or manually using your account information. You can also get a printable PDF version directly from the Wells Fargo website as well. Now you can give this form your employer, government agency, or benefits provider. They may take up to 1-2 day cycles to process it, and once the setup is complete, now your payback or benefits will be automatically deposited in your account. And if you have any questions, just you could set up alerts so that you will be notified when the moment that the money arrived. So that's it. That's how you can set up direct payment in Wells Fargo, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.